Meaning of gender.
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 Gender. Gender refers to the social and cultural roles, behaviors, attributes, and expectations associated with being male or female in a given society. It is a concept that goes beyond biological differences and encompasses the ways in which societies categorize and label people based on perceived gender characteristics. Gender is often used as a basis for discrimination and unequal treatment, particularly towards women and gender minorities who do not conform to traditional gender expectations. Understanding the complexity and fluidity of gender is crucial for promoting gender equality and inclusivity in all aspects of society.